Elephants in Sri Lanka. Elephants are a national symbol of Sri Lanka and are found in many parts of the country. They are the largest land animals in Sri Lanka and can grow up to 13 feet tall and weigh up to 12,000 pounds. Elephants are herbivores and eat a variety of plants, including leaves, fruits, and grasses. They're also social animals and live in herds of up to 20 individuals. Elephants are facing a number of threats in Sri Lanka, including habitat loss, poaching, and human elephant conflict. However, there are a number of conservation efforts underway to protect these amazing creatures. Here are some additional facts about elephants in Sri Lanka. The Sri Lankan elephant is the largest of the Asian elephant subspecies.